Hi everyone, this is Ann. I wanted to share with you my 5 very favorite makeup removers, and these are all affordable. They won't clog your pores. They remove all makeup, including waterproof makeup, and they're very moisturizing, so they don't dry out your skin. And these are probably best for normal to dry skin types, sensitive skin, or mature skin. I use the same technique no matter which of these makeup removers I'm using, and I have a video where I show how I remove my makeup using one of these, and I'll go ahead and link that video beneath this video down in the description box in case you want to take a look at how I remove my makeup. And I'll also link all the products that I show beneath this video as well in case you want to read more about a certain product. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy my videos. These are in no particular order. I'm just going to quickly go through my 5 favorites and share a little bit about each one and what I really love about them. And starting out with one that you've probably seen in my past videos because I've been purchasing this for a very long time. It's by Palmer's, and this is their cleansing oil. This one has grapeseed jojoba and rosehip oil in it. It also has vitamin C to help brighten the skin tone. And this does a great job at removing all makeup, including eye makeup. It does rinse cleanly, so I don't even need a second cleanse with this. It's very hydrating, but not greasy. Another favorite is one that I grew up watching my mom use, and she's always had beautiful skin. It's the Pond's Cold Cream Cleanser, and this is dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic. It does a great job at removing eye makeup as well, and it does leave the skin nice and soft. Another all-time favorite of mine is also dermatologist recommended, and this one is fragrance-free. It's by Albolene, and this is their moisturizing cleanser. This kind of has a more Vaseline type of feel, but the way that I remove my makeup with a warm washcloth, it really doesn't require a second cleansing for myself, and this does a great job at removing eye makeup as well. I also love to just use natural oils to remove my makeup, and I will link an article beneath this video as well on oils that do not clog the pores and then oils that are more likely to clog your pores so that you can look through those. There's a lot of great oils out there that don't clog the pores that would be great to remove your makeup. And one of my very favorites is sweet almond oil, and this is rich in vitamins and fatty acids. It does a great job at removing all my makeup, including my eye makeup, and it also moisturizes my skin. And my 5th favorite makeup remover is just plain olive oil. And this is also rich in vitamins and fatty acids. I do use this to remove all of my makeup, including my eye makeup. It works great. And you want to look for extra virgin, cold pressed, unrefined olive oil. Otherwise, they can add other oils into it sometimes, and it won't be pure olive oil. So you want to look for that. And I got this really huge bottle of it for about $7 at my local Marshall's store. I hope you enjoyed hearing my 5 favorite makeup removers. If you guys have a favorite makeup remover that you want to share with us, please go ahead and comment beneath this video. Thank you so much for watching.